parrot. How do you stay so happy? I do my favorite things. I can't do it. I don't have anything favorite. I want to poke you. Bang, bang, bang. Ah! He was so scared, he ran away. For my back. Good. Oh, I'm a happy frog. Hey, how do you stay so happy? You just do something happy? No, I don't do that. I play and do this and do that, and I love doing this. And I love eating sausages. You love eating sausages? Oh, that was my secret. Oh, I'm a grumpy parrot. Then he's gone. Then they come together next day. They're so scared, they're going back each other. I'm a grumpy parrot. I am a grumpy parrot. I'm a grumpy frog. I do this. I don't have something to do. Happy things. And I don't like sausages. You are scary. Then they teach him a lesson. He will be never rude with us anymore. Never, ever. Then they go. Next day, they meet again.